I don't know if it's soon or what is gonna be needed. Well, let's see. There is all the rubbish that came out from the car, and we gave a good clean on it. We washed the interior, we swept it, and we could actually see what the corrosion and the rust did to the car. All that times the car sitting in one place, the moisture and everything. And at that point I realized I need a donor car. Would I need it for real? Oh, so at this point I realized I need a donor car. That's when things get interesting. So after all that, I decided to come back to South Africa, which is where I live. And I started looking on Facebook Marketplace. It's my best place. I like to shop on oh, I love my Facebook Marketplace. You can find anything there, even on things that you don't want. You can find them. So I went to Facebook Marketplace, and surprise, 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 I found a donor car, which is this. And I fell in love with it. Even though it has a partial burn on the front, as you can see, the car seemed to be perfect. There was something between me and the car I don't quite understand. It actually clinked on me. I was like, oh, I'm in love with this car. And I realized that I have a weak spot for E23s. Actually, I like old BMWs. The new ones, not so much, but the old ones, they have this spice. They have this ka-ching, you understand? They look nice. I like that shark front. I like it. I love it. And so I bought it.